Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using FriendBC website. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So this is a new website that have a modern feel. You can see that you can connect to people, chat with them, and you can play games with them. You can share files and more and more. So this website is really growing fast and it's so easy to make your profile in it. All you need to do is sign up and make a profile and share your rate and you will be good to go. So how you will do that? After you open the site, go to register. So after you put your information, click on I am not a robot and then click on register. So one of the best things about this website is that you don't need to wait for a week or a month, you get paid in the same moment. As you see here, there's people who actually bought the rate like $10 and from $10 to $100 an hour, and there's more and more as you see. Like you see, if I want to hang out with this person, I will need to pay $20 an hour. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.